Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa beet using an easy method. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 5 ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. Don't forget a jalapeno or serrano pepper for that perfect kick. We'll also use a couple of cloves of garlic and a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. This simple approach ensures a delicious result every time. Now let's get to the preparation. Start by roughly chopping your tomatoes, onion, and chili pepper. There's no need for precision here, as the food processor will do most of the work. Toss these into your food processor along with the garlic, cloves, and cilantro. Pulse the mixture in short bursts, about 5 to 7 times, until you achieve your preferred consistency. Remember, we want a chunky salsa, not a smooth puree, so be careful not to overblend. Once your salsa has the right texture, it's time to perfect the flavor. Squeeze in the juice of about 1/2 to 1 whole lime. This adds a wonderful brightness. Next, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, you might add a small pinch of ground cumin. Stir everything together thoroughly, then taste and adjust any seasonings. This step is crucial for a perfectly balanced salsa beet. Your delicious homemade salsa beet is now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer it from the food processor into a nice serving bowl. It's fantastic served immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, or as a vibrant topping for tacos, burritos, or grilled meats. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. The flavors will actually meld and deepen, making it taste even better after chilling for about 30 minutes to 1 hour.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.